Hey guys, so I really love smoothies and I know you guys love smoothies as well, and I wanted to show you how to make a delicious and healthy smoothie using some ingredients that you can actually find at home. So what we have here is the mint that we harvested, and I really wanted to use it. I've already walked you guys through the benefits of mint. We also have apple, which is amazing for your health. We have mangoes that are fantastic for your health, and we also have cucumber. And now we also have our green tea. It was chilled, nicely chilled in the fridge. So I like to put it in the fridge after I've brewed it so that it can be nice and chill, because when I use it in the smoothie, I want it to be cool. And I also have turmeric. This is just a really powerful spice that I advise most people to put in their smoothies, especially for us women, because it helps us with inflammation and as so many other things, and it's highly beneficial. So I also have some water here, and I'm going to start off the process really quickly. I'll start off by putting let's start off with the cucumbers, and then when I do the cucumbers, I think, let me see if that's going to be okay, or I can just add some more. Cucumbers are actually really healthy for you because they help with weight loss. They also help with hydration, maximum hydration, cooling your body. So for most people who have high blood pressure, it's really good for you to drink cucumber smoothies or to eat cucumbers in your salad or every other day. I also have mangoes. This is my favorite. Whenever I do a smoothie, I just love to add mangoes in there. I have apple, which is another one of my favorites. I know it's your favorite as well. And one of the best ways to make sure that you actually are taking a healthy smoothie is to make sure that you have a fruit, a vegetable, and also a superfood. So for our fruit, we have mango, we also have apple. For our vegetable, we have the cucumber, and we're going to add our superfoods, which we're going to add turmeric, we're going to add green tea, and you can add flax seeds, you can add, like, you can just do what you want. And so we have our mint here. I'm just going to add this mint in here really quickly, because it depends on the amount of mint that you want. So I wanted to just show you guys, because most of you have been seeing the videos for the smoothies, but you're saying you want to actually see me walk you through the process, and I decided to just do this so that you guys can see how I normally just prepare my smoothies. And I'm also going to be posting a video on the interview that I had on Lookup TV, because it shows just the preparation, the smoothie preparation, the benefits as well. I love to give people information so that they understand what they're putting into their bodies and why. So that's really important. This mint actually smells so good and fresh. Okay, there, enough of the mint. I'm going to put the water now. I use 3/4 of this mason jar, and then I'm going to add the green tea. Let me see if this jar is going to open easily. Thank God. So I'm just adding the green tea in there, and that's it. And when it's chilled, the green tea actually tastes really good. So I hope you guys can see well. Let me just do that. And so you just blend to the consistency that you want. I think this is really good. Yeah, this is actually really good. Sometimes I want a thick smoothie, and sometimes I want it light. So for this one, we've used more of the lighter ingredients, and oh my goodness, this is perfect. I love it, and I can't wait to drink it. Let me just pour this over here and bring the mason jar. I took it far and I don't know why. I mean, just look at that. It's fantastic. I'll put this over here and place these over here so that you guys can see. So these are the smoothies that we have. And remember, if you want to do a simple and healthy smoothie, it's really important for you to consider a fruit, a vegetable, and a superfood. So when it comes to fruit, vegetables, and superfoods, it all depends also on your health. If you're someone who is pre-diabetic or diabetic, or you're trying to watch your blood sugar levels, then I would say you lay off the bananas and the mangoes because these fruits are actually rich in natural sugars. But if you're not in this category, then of course you can be able to take, all kinds of fruit. So I love taking these smoothies first thing in the morning after my workout, because they actually, with the green tea, this is actually going to really help you in boosting your metabolism. I've actually noticed that in my body. The green tea really boosts my metabolism. When I'm done with my workout and I use this green tea, I brew it, I chill it in the fridge, and then I come and do a smoothie with it. I find that my body actually feels so much better. I'm not bloated, and I think also this turmeric really helps with the smoothie. I'm not bloated because I really used to have that problem, and when I blend everything together, I feel amazing. So I really would love for you guys to try out this smoothie. Make sure that you have apple, you have cucumber, you have a nice ripe mango, so you can be able to enjoy your smoothie and have your green tea. Chill it in the fridge and then just keep using it. And I promise you, you're going to notice so much in your body. You're going to be stronger. You're going to be able to fight lots of ailments and disease. And you're also going to be able to take care of your health. With green tea, you're actually giving yourself a daily detox every single day. This is one of the easiest ways for you to cleanse your body from the inside. So I can't wait for you guys to try it. And if you'd like to purchase some green tea, please let me know. This is 100 grams. It's actually going to last you a while, and you can be able to use it in your smoothies. You can brew it as a tea, and you can get yourself a daily detox at such a good price. So thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.